guys, today I'll be reviewing the Akko Jolly Black switches. They are custom switches. I think they were made from Akko, so yeah. So, okay, we'll just put my microphone, and here is the cover. They come in a cover before the box, so just take that out, and here's the front cover. Now here are these switches. So these switches sound really good. If you ever searched up a YouTube video, then I think you would know what they sound like. So here's what they sound like. Okay. There we go. Now I lubed one. May not sound different, but I did lube one. So now I'm gonna move this away, and I'll show you the lubed versus not lubed comparison on my keyboard right here. Let me just grab my things. Okay. Now let me take it. Okay. Gonna be 3 different ones. Now let me pull out these switches. Oops. Just get there. Now, okay. So these are lubed. Lubed. Not lubed. They do sound a bit more quieter. But now, I think this one is the lubed. Hold up. Yeah, this one is the lube here. This one is not lubed. So we're gonna see. There we go. And now the not lubed one. There we go. Okay. Now let's put the keycaps back on. Keep in mind, not lubed Akko Jelly Black switches, lubed Akko Jelly Black switches, and brown Odin lubed brown switches, sorry. Here is the lube I used. Very cheap. And now, time for the sound test. Not lubed Akko Jelly CS black switches. Bit scratchy, but sounds good. Lubed Akko Jelly black switches. So this one sounds more scratchy than this one right here. But overall, they're okay. Just so you guys know, I did not fully lube these. I just lube these without taking them apart. So if you guys want like a video of that, then I'll show you. And this is the lubed Otomu Brown. So sounds a bit deeper. But yeah, that's the Akko Jelly black switches. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.